Hello to all my friends out there. And so one of the things I want to do this year is I want to make more things from scratch. And this is the raisin bread. This time I made it so cheap. I just put raisins only. And I will be stockpiling jam. And I bought these two jams for $1. And this is good with tea. This one's strawberry, so I bought these two jams for $1. So, you know, when I stockpile for a month, I think one of these lasts me about a month. And this is my leftover tea. I think this is mint tea, and this is the best one left over. And the other thing to stockpile is lemon juice. And I bought two of these. I found these for $1, and here's a shot of my bread. And if you've been following me, you know that I was a hairstylist, and one of the things I wanted to do was give you guys my customers' ways of doing things, you know, that I learned from doing hair. In the day, I used to go to their houses, and my customer always had this. This was her bread, and let me tell you, this is good. And I buy the raisins at Dollar Tree. And this one's 5 ounces, but I think I'm going to start stockpiling raisins. I'm going to buy a big one, probably from Walmart. And then I'm going to stockpile sugar. And I keep baking powder and baking soda in the bag so they don't get stale. And so I'll probably want to at least have one of these. I have two, so I don't need them. And let me give you the recipe. So for my stockpile, I will stockpile flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, raisins. And for the buttermilk, I just use milk. And for 1 cup to make it into buttermilk, you put 1 tablespoon, this is to 1 cup milk, lemon or vinegar. And then I will stock soy milk, and I also like coconut milk. I will stock that so that I can always make some bread. And these are habits that over time will save money, not to speak of. This is very yummy with tea. And so, and oil. Oil, shortening, I find margarine on sale, and I will stockpile that. So for starters in stockpiling, this is a good place to start. And start making the bread, you know, to eat with your tea, or, you know, just for bread. And so God bless you all.